Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is video editorial for the problem Weather Observation Station 4. And again, this problem we are solving as part of MySQL course. So in the last lecture, that is the lecture 6 of MySQL course, we have learned about the aggregate functions. And of course, we are going to solve this problem using the aggregate functions. Now, the problem says that find the difference between the total number of city, right? And we have a station table which has city failed in it, right? So find the difference between the total number of city entries in the table and the number of distinct city in the table. So clearly we have to find the total number of cities and minus the distinct number of cities, right? For example, it is possible that the table contains Delhi and Mumbai. So if you see there, in total there are three cities: Delhi, Mumbai, three cities, right? But distinct only two: Delhi and Mumbai. So 3 minus 2 would be 1. So we have to find the number of cities minus the distinct number of cities. How you will do that? All of the things that we are going to use, we have already covered in this course, MySQL DQL course, right? So now, first of all, how we solve this? So using the name of the city, this is the city name, right? City. We can find the total number of cities, right? Simple. So just change the dialect. Let's say I only want to calculate the number of cities, right? How you do that? Using one of the aggregate function, that is count function. So what we have to do is select count of city, right, from station table. So this will give you only the count of city. How many cities are there? For example, Delhi, Mumbai, it will give 3. We have to find the difference between this and the distinct number of cities. How you will calculate the distinct number of cities? So again, since we have to count, so we'll apply the count function. And if I write here city, it will again give all of the cities. I don't want all of the cities. Delhi, Mumbai. I only want the distinct results. So how do we calculate the distinct results? Using the distinct operator that we have already covered. So before giving count function to count this, make sure you are only giving it the distinct city. So just before the column name, you can write distinct. So now in the count function, the input will not go the list of cities, but the distinct list of cities. So this will give you the count of the distinct city. This will give you count of the total cities. So this way you can calculate the difference between city and the distinct city, right? So if you run this code, let's wait for a second. Yeah, the task is passes. So if you submit this code, hopefully no errors. Yeah, again, the task is passes. That means we have successfully solved this problem also, to find the difference between the city and the number of distinct city, right? Using the distinct operator that we have learned a long time back, and using the count function, that is the aggregate function that we have learned in the 6th lecture. Yeah, so this is it for this lecture, and thank you guys for watching. Until the next video drops, keep coding. Thank you.